Welcome to episode 1 of Sage's X3 Preventive Maintenance. Let's begin by logging into our mobile device as the production manager. Upon login, we'll arrive at the production manager's landing page. Here, we have access to our visual process map and production schedule calendar. Locate and select the maintenance request icon, positioned to the right of the process map. Once you've clicked on the maintenance request icon, you'll be directed to the job ticket request function, where you can initiate a new request. To start a new request, simply tap the plus icon located in the right panel. Choose a reason code from the drop-down list, such as breakdown, and provide a brief description like machine is sparking. In the Asset Equipment task grid, define the asset task by selecting from the drop-down menu. For instance, select Max 01R for an undefined repair on the Max 01E asset. A warning message will appear, reminding you to follow proper lockout tag out procedures before proceeding with repairs. Dismiss this message to continue. Enter a quantity of 1 in the release quantity column. Specify the requested service date and indicate the priority of the breakdown. After creating the request, document the breakdown by adding pictures and notes. Click on the paperclip icon to access the attachments function. Upload a photo from your camera by selecting the Upload File button in the upper right corner of the screen. Navigate through your file folder. Choose the desired file and add it as an attachment. Confirm the successful upload by clicking the View button in the grid. Next, provide additional details using the text function. Access the Notes section by clicking on the word bubble icon located below the attachments icon. Document the sequence of events that led to the equipment breakdown, such as specifying that the failure occurred during operation at a high rate of speed. This concludes the maintenance request process for episode 1